Stop translating from your mother tongue to English. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I am Priya Sharma, and if you are doing the same mistake, you often translate from your mother tongue to English. So this video is only and only for you, because in this video I'm going to show you what is the problem with the translation, why I'm telling you to stop translating from your mother tongue to English, because you cannot translate as it is most of the time, or maybe half of the time. The meaning, the sense of that sentence get changed when you translate from your mother tongue to English. Suppose I'm giving you example. If I want to say dal mein kuch kala hai, so if I would translate it word to word, so how would I speak? I would translate like this: there is something black in the pulse. Okay, but this is the wrong translation. So the exact translation will be: there is something fishy. Let's take the next example. मैंने उसकी बात काट दी. I cut his talk. It is right? No. The exact translation would be I interrupted him. मुझे नींद आ रही है. Sleep is coming to me. No, it's not a right translation. I would say, I should say, I am feeling sleepy. Okay. So this is the problem with the translation, guys. You cannot translate as it is. Okay, that's the reason why I'm telling you stop translating from your mother tongue to English, because it creates lot of problem, lot of confusion in your mind when you learn English, and this is holding you back. You have to learn English as it is without any translation. So if you are on a beginner level, then it's fine to do translation. If you have just started learning English, then it's fine. But if you have been learning English since 3-4 months, so it's not good for you to translate. Okay, if you really want to be fluent in this language, don't translate, just leave it. So this is the first problem with the translation. Now come to the next problem, what we all face while translation. So guys, you all have faced this problem, and I have also gone through. You might observe this thing, that whenever you try to translate in your mind, first you think in your mother tongue, then you try to translate in English, then you speak, and it creates time gap. When you speak with anybody, you don't have that much time that you first think in your mother tongue, then you translate it, and then you speak. You don't have this much time. You have to speak. This process should happen in a jiffy. This is not only happening with you. The people who are coming from English medium school, but they don't have a habit of speaking English, they are also facing the same problem. Now the question arises कि अगर आप translate नहीं करोगे तो आप कैसे English बोलोगे? Since our childhood, we have been translating so many paragraphs from our mother tongue to English, but still we are not fluent in English. Why? Because we are not thinking in English. So if you want to eliminate this process of translation, you have to think in English. And how you can think in English? So you know what, guys, whenever we hear this term of think in English, we get frustrated. We think it's very difficult. Okay, because yeah, obviously it is very difficult. You have to shift from your mother tongue to English, and of course it's difficult, but if you follow a simple process, you can do it in just few months. So guys, you have to start including few vocabularies, day-to-day vocabularies in your daily conversation. Suppose if you say kursi, so you have to say chair. If you say mage, so you have to say table. If you say ghadi, so you have to say watch. Okay, know lot of vocabularies, but lot of people know lot of vocabularies, but still they are not fluent in English. Why? Because they don't have this habit of speaking. Okay, and you have to make your mind and your mouth habitual of speaking. Vocabularies, words should come out from your mouth. Whatever I'm speaking, I'm still not very fluent, but whatever I'm speaking, it's a game of habit, guys. really. And you know what, I have recently gave my interview, and I was pretty much comfortable in that interview because I was replying all the question very well. And I'm a same person who was not able to utter few sentences line by line. I didn't go into any English medium school. I came from a government school, government college, and I also didn't have anybody to speak with, or now even I don't have anybody. So how I did this, I made habit of speaking, and you should also make this habit of speaking. You should include few vocabularies, few day-to-day vocabularies, and then you should gradually shift to sentences, then phrases, and that is how you can make your mind habitual of speaking this language. There is a game of habit, guys. You don't need to do anything. If you are feeling frustrated while learning English, it's fine. Just hold it for at least 6 months, and you will realize after 6 months that you are speaking well English than before. Initially, don't take lot of pressure on your mind. Start with small, include few vocabularies, few day-to-day vocabularies in English. Train your mind, train your mouth, and train your mind for speaking English. I've learned English like this, and you can learn it too. If you are watching till now, so please like this video, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care.